Copy versus content. A review. I wanted to put on my writer glasses for that one. Okay, whatever. Hey guys, it's Caroline. Hi. We're back. We're artists. We're doing it day by day, little by slowly. That's all we got, y'all. Hi, it's Caroline. Welcome to the business of storytelling. Today, we are back in the writing realm. I was looking at our recent videos and I was like, oh, we have not spent much time in writing. We've been chilling with voiceover for a bit. So I'm unpacking today a really common question that new writers have when they're deciding what to do and how to craft this writing career online. And one of the biggest decisions you want to make when you're starting out as a writer is if you want to focus on, or what kind of writing you want to focus on. For instance, do you want to focus on copy or do you want to focus on content? So today we're going to talk about the difference between those two. You can do both. It's really not an either or situation, but let's dive in. Copy itself is focused on short-term goals, because we're looking to sell a product immediately or quickly. Copy focuses on urgent messaging to get someone to make a decision now. Some examples of copy are all advertisements, that's copy. Ads on social media, TV, radio, that's all copy. Sales pages are another common form of copy. Email marketing, oh my gosh, so everybody's got an email. And product descriptions on a page, when you're looking to buy a product. So a copywriter needs the following skills, among others, but these are really important for a copywriter. Copywriter needs to be able to convey persuasion, urgency, and empathy, right? They need to understand the audience. Next up, content writer. A content writer is someone who specializes in producing relevant, engaging written content for websites. So every website is designed with a specific target audience in mind, right? And that requires well-written, informative content to show up in search results and be visible to that audience in other places online. So content itself is focused on more long-term goals, whereas copy was focused on short-term goals. Content is focused on providing free information that is high quality. Usually you want to provide high quality free information. And content is focused on that connection with the audience and it's looking to build trust between a reader or a viewer and the brand. Some examples of content are blog posts, web pages, newsletters, other types of freebies, PDFs, white pages, courses, if you have a free course, other assets like that. A content writer needs the following skills in their writing. Content writers need to be able to explain and break down high-level concepts for their audience. They need to have an understanding of a wide variety of genres and/or the ability to learn about new things quickly. Curiosity is really another good asset as well. A high level of empathy to connect with the audience and understand what they're feeling, and good research skills so that you can back up, understand big concepts, and provide citations and stuff. The good news is that both copy and content writers can charge high dollar amounts for their services. High-level copywriters end up charging more per word than high-level content writers. This is because a high-level copywriter is able to more directly show their dollar value in the amount of product their copy will sell. While inversely, high-level content writers can also make a lot of money. Don't mishear me. And high-level content writers' work can be more consistent, right? Can be more weekly, monthly, retainer-based, which is a little bit easier. You can write a weekly article for a client for a long time, whereas a client may only need copy a few times a year when they're actually launching a product. So you can charge a lot for both. One's not better than the other. One requires different skills than the other, and they really complement each other well if you're able to sort of sharpen both skills at the same time. You can do a little of both and see what you like best. Copy versus content, two great ways and two of the main ways to make a living or make money as a writer online. Thanks this week, guys, for tuning in to the Business of Storytelling. I am always Caroline Cole, and I'm also always grateful for each and every one of you. I'm so glad that you come by each week. I love reading your comments and chatting to you on Instagram. I'm at Caroline Cole Stories over there. If you haven't connected over there yet, I love getting to know you guys. It's really nice. We're, working alone a lot in our homes and clickety-clacking on the keyboard and recording voiceover words into the air. It's nice to connect with you guys on Instagram and here on YouTube. It's fun to have people to do this creative life with. Thanks, Internet. Also, I want to remind you that we are in just a couple weeks. We're opening registration. It's happening so soon. We're doing the virtual audition retreat on April 20th to April 24th. And we'll meet throughout the weekend to do mini workshops on things like cold reading and audio editing and working on things that can be difficult, like lists are sometimes really difficult to read. We'll be talking about different niches and genres to get involved in. We'll do a audition site swap so that we can all share our best audition sites. And we'll also have a little friendly competition, see who can submit the most auditions over the weekend and who can book the most work. There is a prize. It's a spoiler alert. It's some coaching, so we can just hang out more because I love getting to know you guys. I have some other things to share coming up, but I'm too excited. I won't kind of overbear right now. Anyways, thanks for coming this week. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, blah, 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 all the YouTube things. I have to say those. And I'll see you guys next week. All right. Bye, everyone.